In this week's episode, Paul and I learned some valuable lessons about stopping when you're tired, because that's when mistakes happen.
Wow. What a banking adventure.
Oh boy.
What are we doing today?
We are going to mix 12 bags of 80 pound
960 pounds of
concrete.
concrete,
They're gonna
hopefully to fill the footer.
Fill the footer, put the bracket in,
Put the post connector in, yep.
and then we'll be ready to hopefully put the post up next weekend. So, all right, we're about to haul 50 gallons of water back and forth.
At 5 gallons of whack.
So,
All right.
oh, it's gonna be a long day.
Yep.
All right. That is 12 bags of 80 pounds concrete mix.
We're gonna mix by hand. Probably a big mistake.
Probably.
Oh boy. Nice and light. Speed's lugging them.
Oh, they're like heavy.
Cool, that's it. How far did we bury that?
I thought the bag or the whole thing?
No, the bag.
Not very. I think the handles might be stuck in the dirt.
Oh, probably. I kept the water out of it.
Yep.
Maybe.
Mm.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
There it is. Look at that. Bone dry. Here comes Jayme with our 50 gallons of water. We'll see how much is left in the bins, the totes, by the time she gets here. That's leaking a little bit. It's like a swimming pool back there. Oh, the anticipation's killing me.
I bet they're too tight.
Oh, there's quite a bit of water in there.
Yeah, that's
Nice.
We're about to start the water transfer. Super excited.
Mm-hmm.
This might take a while, but
5
looking
gallons of
forward to it. There we go, and there he is, Mr. Patience.
Oh God! Well, there goes half a gallon. Mr. Bucket. Try that again. Smells like gold.
This is going to take a while, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna take.
Do you have everything set up over there?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I think we're
Good,
good to
good,
go.
good. He did that while I did the precarious drive of water hauling.
Mm-hmm. How was it?
It's difficult. I want to know why we didn't rent the thingy that spins. So you don't have to do this.
Good question.
What's it called?
A cement mixer?
Oh, there you go. Cement mixer. Yeah. Sorry, my brain is...
It's only the first bag.
I'm scared. I think I should run and go get some Advil.
Oh God.
I think we're
Come on.
I think we're gonna need that. You just drop it in.
Yep. Easy as that.
Like that.
Just don't spill it. Don't waste it.
Bag 2.
Very exciting.
Dun da da da.
All right. We didn't have a piece of rebar, so we're just using a long piece of wood. Jimmy's trying to work it into the corners of the footing. Really, Paul?
Oh, honey.
Wow. Every bag's an adventure.
I like the milk.
It's kind of satisfying. All right, boy.
Not bad for a couple of hacks, huh?
We'll see. It looks like from a week from now.
Yeah, hopefully it hardens.
You'll probably sink to the bottom of the footing.
Oh no.
It's in. Straight, plumb, it's lined up. With that tab right there. So we should be in good shape. We'll let this set up for, I don't know, it's gonna be at least a week before we get our posts, so.
Hi, we're here today waiting for a wood delivery. I talked my beautiful niece Anna into helping me, and we are going to unload a 16-foot 6x8 post that will be used to hold up the back corner of the treehouse. Just be careful, babe. You're all right? You're doing way better than Anna and I. And the old man that helped us deliver it. You tell me, what are we doing now? We've decided.
These 3 trees out. This one was dead. This one and this little guy.
Because they're
going to be in the way of the floor joist after we put the beam up.
Which is right there.
I'm not sure how we missed, but let's take them out now and then move the beam.
He knows how to operate a chainsaw, just maybe not a cap.
Yep, can't put the cap on.
You need some help?
Why is this thing so difficult?